join me in preaching love and unity among us. Na hii ninasema nikiwa very serious. I say I'm not a drum major. I'm a man of words and action. If you are a master of jeopardy, war, mudslinging, hautakuwa rafiki wa hii kanisa. Hapana. Hapana. Hatutakukubalia. You don't have no choice but to leave us. Priesthood Church is a family. It's a family church. We need that family organ and the fabric of love to remain untorn. How many are with me up to there? May God bless you. In a quick rejoinder to what our administrator mentioned about my retirement, I wish to express that I'm a law-abiding citizen. And our church is registered under Kenyan laws of society, where bishop is referred as chairman. It is therefore enshrined in our constitution that chairman should be elected after every 4 years. All through their years, I didn't have a worthy competitor to vie for the same. But now, our church has grown. We have very many able leaders to take over the office of a bishop. It is my wish to go for early retirement from active ministerial duties with honor and dignity and continue serving humanity as Bishop Emeritus. This is subject to discussion as we enter the new year 2023. I'm looking forward for more Bishops' Day in future, God willing. That's my prayer. I pray for your safe travels as you celebrate Christmas with your families. I wish you a very happy holidays, a very happy Christmas, an enjoyable Christmas, and a happy New Year. I pray that you go home, those who will travel up country or anywhere else you may feel good to visit, and you'll come back safe as we start the year together and we see what God had for us in the year 2023. I have instructions from Pastor Sir to invite you for the New Year Kesha, 31st December this year, the same place, Priesthood Fellowship Church, Kaha West, so that you may enter the new year together. May God bless you. May God bless you all. May God bless priesthood. May God bless Kenya. Thank you.